So hello guys, welcome to AB Studios. Today June 30, 2020 and my name is Anshuman and you are watching AB Studios YouTube channel. In this video we will be talking about range test. Range test of the DJI Mavic Mini. Mavic Mini is a drone of just a small size and very compact drone. It weighs just about 250 grams. And what happens when you are supposed to fly your drone till its maximum distance and it will not come back to home point, and you can just say if you are just trying to make a range test how far it can go from the home point. So in this video we will be talking about how you are going to find it in that situation if you don't know where it landed, or it might get crashed if the battery dies. The same thing happened with me. I was supposed to do a range test. I flew the drone till 2000 meters, that is 2 kilometers from the home point, and after that it was returning back to home point as maximum flying distance was reached. But unfortunately, maybe due to high wind speed or due to low battery, I don't know exactly what happens to my drone, but it didn't came back to my place, or you can say it as a home point. But the best part, it didn't crashed. It just landed as usual, like I was forcing to land and make it safe. There were two lakes and I was just afraid what if drone was landed on water. What But it just landed on the ground and I found it safe after 30 minutes of searching time. So the matter of fact is how you will find your drone if you just lost it. You are away at least 2 kilometers from the drone, and how you will get the data of what happens when you were flying the drone. Complete data of flight from start to end. As in that scenario, if you forget to record your mobile screen, you will never get the details about the speed of drone, altitude of drone, and many more things are there. But do you know, you can get much more data of your flight, much more than you have ever expected. So I request you to stay tuned to our channel. In the next video I am going to tell you how you can get the data of your drone, the maximum data in details. And at the end of the video you will see a satellite view of my flight, and you will get all the details of the location, speed, altitude, and when drone started landing and landed safely after reaching the maximum distance. So if you can just see in the video, when I reached the distance of about 200 meters, that is 2 kilometers from the home point, the aircraft was supposed to return back to home automatically, or you are supposed to take it back to the home point in manual mode. But when I was forcing the drone to come back to the home point, the wind speed was too high, and I guess after coming about 400 meters, and I was supposed to 1.6 kilometers from the drone, and the drone didn't came back. It just landed at the same point. So I believe there must be some technical issue, or the wind speed was too high. And as you know, the DJI Mavic Mini is of very small weight, just 250 grams, and it will not allow the speed of the wind to overcome and fly back to the home point. So the artificial intelligence that is available in the drone decided to land out there. But when it landed nearly 1.6 kilometers away from me, I was just afraid. I believe my drone was almost lost, and I am never gonna find it again. But if you can see, there is an option in the DJI Mavic Mini application that is installed in your cell phone. There is an option of find my drone. If you will tap on the option that is find my drone, you will get the exact location where the drone landed, or where the last connection was established. As you are already 1.6 kilometers away from the drone, so there must be chances you have lost the signals. But there is an option of find my drone, and if you will tap, it will take you to the map and it will show you the exact location of the drone, and you will just follow the location, follow the map, and you are good to go. You will find your drone very soon. And in the next video we will talk about how to get more information of your flight, just like the wind speed, altitude, the current the battery using, and many more things are there. Let's check out, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. And I will see you in the next one. I wish you fly safe, enjoy your flight, stay home, stay safe, and goodbye. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.